Hello everybody, another one has arrived. Ta-da! Right, let's get this unboxed and see what we've got. Ooh, DMR. Okay, we've got a DMR radio here. What do we have with it? We have the radio, let's get rid of that. The instruction manual. This is something else. The charging base station. The charging power. The belt clip. And the antenna. Little stubby antenna. What have we got here? This bit, by the way, is for my other digital radio. It failed on me, and the supplier sent me this one, along with another radio. So, it's a DMR, and let's get it turned on. It's just going to be a quick one tonight. Let's have a look. It's already got the battery plugged in. Let's see what it is. How do you get the battery out? Oh, there we go. No markings on the battery. Okay. Let's turn it on.
1.
There we go. What's it doing? Why does it keep... What? Why does it keep changing? Oh great. Looks like I have a bad radio. Let me get to the menu. What the heck? What's it doing? Something wrong with this. Let's stop this video right here.